Welcome to unemploymentkiller.com. Today we're going to do a quick video tutorial on how to bring a massive amount of traffic to your site using Twitter and a few other programs that I will be talking about a little bit later. Basically what we're going to be doing here is utilizing Twitter's follow functions and a website service called Tweet Later to utilize automatic features that will bring visitors to your site on a daily basis and also all throughout the day on an autopilot type feature. Now, what we're going to be talking about here requires a few programs that are free for you. There are paid versions, but we're going to be using the free versions. Basically, what we're going to do here is open up a program called Twitter Auto Friend Adder, and I'm going to open that right now. Twitter Friend Adder Pro is a program that I use to set up accounts with Twitter, auto follow people based on certain keywords, and this is how you get niched traffic. So you can have it auto follow people with tweeting about marketing or SEO or literally anything you want, which is a great feature. And what we're going to do here is open up the add friends feature. Now, with the add Twitter friends feature, what this allows you to do, as you can see here, there's all accounts one by one, rotate to next one, finish, adding friends for one account, blah blah blah. You can basically have an unlimited amount of accounts set up where this program will manage and log into each account, performing various functions for you automatically. So what I do, I have my account set up by the Twitter website, and then what I do is use Twitter Auto Friend Adder or Twitter Friend Adder Pro to add friends for me based on certain keywords that I specify in the options, which for me I use marketing, making money, various other SEO is another one I use a lot. What we're going to do here is show you through the other options available. Add random number between 90 and 110 friends, which is also the recommended or default option for stop at, which you don't want to add 2,000 friends in a day. It's suspicious and it doesn't look like you're using that naturally, I guess you could say. For Twitter, the Twitter API will have a built-in function that will monitor this activity and possibly ban you if you're going wild following 2,000 people a day. So go ahead and leave that to the default setting. Another option is the interval, which I always leave at 12 to 120 seconds, which is actually one more than the default, just to be safe. I don't want any of these accounts to be terminated, because when Twitter terminates an account or bans an account, what happens is that they ban all the accounts for a specific IP. So unless you go ahead and create 10 different accounts with 10 different IPs, you don't want to be getting any motion of any type of autobot or auto follower or anything to that extent, or you will get all of your accounts banned, and that could be 10 days worth of work. It could be 2 months worth of work. Either way, you don't want to risk being banned for one or more of your accounts. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit OK here, and as you can see, the Twitter Friend Adder Pro is logging into one of my accounts, Makey Money Online, and it is searching for marketing, and it has found a large amount of users, and it's going to start with I don't know if you guys can see this correctly, but Amasor. He is a user that either discusses marketing, or either way, the keywords include marketing. So, oh, there we go. There's another one, and this is going to go ahead and either rotate the accounts and add a certain amount of friends at a time, or however you set it up. Basically, it's highly configurable. So I'm gonna cancel this because I don't really want to add friends right now. I already did that this morning, and I don't want to seem suspicious. I'm gonna cancel that and click out of this. Now, another good feature or service that we can take a look at is called TweetLater. Now, I have a million things open here, but TweetLater is a service that you can use to specify an unlimited number of accounts. Here we go, TweetLater. To be, you can set up tweets or messages or ads, whatever you want to call them, to be displayed at a given interval or time all throughout the day. So what I do is I have my Twitter Friend Adder Pro running and creating, adding a number of users throughout the day, and I also have a set number of ads or tweets being displayed to these various accounts all throughout the day. So when these accounts are posted, when the tweets are posted, generally if you have 1,000 people in one given account and you have 3 accounts running with these auto tweets, at least 2 to 3% of these people are going to click on your URL or link. Now that's going to take them to your website, and I think from this point on you can start understanding how this works on autopilot, because that's what it is. It's completely self-driven. Once it's set up, you just let it run on a daily basis, and it actually continues